Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to delete your TikTok account permanently. So let's get started. First, open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner, then select Settings and Privacy. Next, tap Account, then choose Deactivate or Delete Account. Select Delete Account Permanently to continue. TikTok will ask you why you're deleting your account. Choose the reason that best matches your situation, then tap Continue. If you'd like to keep a copy of your TikTok data, select the option to request and download your data before moving forward. Otherwise, continue to the next step. Read the information about what happens when your account is deleted. When you're ready, confirm that you understand the details and tap Continue. To protect your account, TikTok will ask you to verify your identity. Depending on your account settings, you'll need to enter your password or use a verification code sent to your email address or phone number. After completing the verification, a confirmation message will appear. Tap Delete to permanently submit your account for deletion. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.